Hello everyone! The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, the great teacher inspires. I'm sure that every teacher wants to be a very good teacher. But what is this myth about being a good teacher? Who is it? What are the characteristics? Teaching jobs are often lucrative and satisfying for people who love to teach. I'm a teacher too, though I love my profession. And the majority of my students do love me, and it's the point where good things start to happen. The most important characteristic of a good teacher can have is to be friendly and congenial with his students. It is a plus if my students can share their problems with me without being afraid or hesitant. A good teacher has a very good personality. There is no second thought about it. Students always get attracted to teachers with good personality, which leads better communication, understanding, and ultimately good results. Everyone can have a good, decent, likable, and presentable personality. Just dress sensible, well, smell good, and be a little gentle and kind. That's all. Another important characteristic of a good teacher can have is his knowledge and own education. There is a saying, a teacher is only as good as his education is. If I lack in the knowledge of a certain subject that I teach, I'm never going to make a name for myself. In the modern, rapidly developing society, the need for professionally competent teacher is growing more and more. The professional competence of the teacher is connected with teacher's ability to solve professional problems and the problems arising during the educational process. On this way, as a competent teacher, we should be professional, we should be culturally competent, talented, innovative, and a creative problem solver, skilled and creative critical thinker, and we should have to be a communicative and observational skills. We should provide people with skills that will help them to be collaboratively, sensitively in work, become decision maker, plan and manage their time effectively, and choose the right communication strategy at the right time, listen to one another. We should inspire them creativity, critical thinking, and communication, so peoples are ready for tomorrow's world.